Krishna viewers, welcome to Nifty Astrology channel. I hope today also you had a safe trading day. As if we talk about today's market, there was quite a high volatility in the market, and that is why I am just telling you ki I hope you all had a very safe trading day today. Let's start our video for on Monday. What are our plans? As you all know, we discussed in our video regarding the time frame, which is based on our Sarvatobhadra Chakra and ephemery studies calculation. I hope this time frame what we are sharing with you is useful, and along with that I also share a range for the market so that you get an idea the market movement, maybe this much market movement is in this range, so that accordingly you can plan and you can do your analysis and take a call for the next day. Let's start. In this video we will be discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then sector wise what was the status, and then astro time frame, and then the last will be range, and on Monday how we can expect the market, that little bit discussion. As all the sectors, if you'll see, were in reddish only, they all were showing a fall in their trades. Along with that, if you'll see global indices yesterday we had a holiday on eve of Eid. If you'll see the global indices, there was a huge redness in the market. Along with that, SGX Nifty, which is like very much similar to our future Nifty future, so in that also we were expecting, like we were seeing a huge redness. It was around 14,400, so we were expecting a redness in our market also today, but somehow it didn't happen, and market tried to sustain, but it was not able to sustain it properly. In SGX also today when opened, it was in green. Compared to yesterday, it like yesterday it was in red and it came to 14,400, and today morning it was in green only and it was around 14,600, 650 or somewhat like. So this transformation also had an impact on our thing. We also had a gap up. Nifty opened with a gap up of 50 points, whereas Bank Nifty opened with a gap up of 43 points. And overall Nifty had a range of 153 points and Bank Nifty had a range of 507 points. Okay, so along with that, if you'll see, though Nifty opened with a gap up of 50 points, it was not able to sustain there. 14,749 was its opening, and that was only its high. After within 30 minutes, if you'll see, there was a fall of 130 points. I mean, just check it. There was a fall of 130 points. Then in next half an hour, Nifty tried to do the cover up thing, and it tried to cover almost 100 110 points, but it was not able to sustain there properly, and then we had a fall, and which continued, and we closed our Nifty at 14,677, which is just minus 18 points compared to its previous closing 14,696. Okay, so now this was about the Nifty. Now we'll talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened in the similar way with 43 points gap up, but Bank Nifty was also not able to sustain there. It also came down. All its PSU and private banks, they were not performing well, so everyone was in red only. Like some positiveness you can see, but overall it was redness only. So Bank Nifty was not able to sustain. It broke its support, which was 32,300, and after breaking that 32,300 support, it came to 32,100. It was trying to break that support, and it was coming, it retested it many times, and finally it gave a closing of minus 283 points compared to previous closing, and the closing was 32,169 compared to yesterday's closing. So this was about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we'll see, all the sectors, like in Nifty, which all other sectors are there, out of that only if Nifty FMCG was doing well, it gave a upward movement of 2.31%, whereas compared to that, no other sector was performing well. And the percentage, if I can share with you, like which had a major fall, that was Nifty Metal, Nifty Reality, and Nifty Auto. So Nifty Metal had 3.76% fall, Nifty Reality 3.19% fall, and Nifty Auto 2% fall. Whereas other sectors are there like pharma, IT, media, they also had a fall of around 1%. So this was just a sector overview. How was the day today? Now I'll share a time frame with you. It's 9:15 to 10 o'clock. I am expecting a mixed trend. 10 o'clock to 12:30, I am expecting a positive sentiment. And then 12:30 onwards 3:30, I am expecting a both side movement, that is mixed trend. I hope you all have written the time frame and you will observe the time frame so that accordingly you can plan your trade. You can also see open interest thing if you are trading for options. So you can understand which all strike prices are there where most of open interest is there. So accordingly you will get an idea what the range is. In Nifty, if I talk about the range, it is 14,850 to 14,500 I am expecting. And Bank Nifty 32,800 to 31,700. I hope you have written the time frame and the this range order. Now we'll discuss just few points how we can expect market in the next week, or you can say on Monday. Generally, overall, if whatever technicals if you'll see, that is indicating towards the bearishness only, bearishness. And though Nifty is flat, but then too also the weak movement is not very strong, the strength is not seem very visible. So that is why you can say that bearishness is there as per technicals, but as per Astro till 10 o'clock the mixed trend and then positive sentiment is there. So market may recover. So you all have to take whatever trades you all are taking. So as per this sentiment, you just think and you can see the technicals and how the candles are forming, that just have a watch on that. Today whatever Nifty tried to balance itself was because of the Reliance backup of 1900 point, which was that is why the Nifty was at the flat region. Next is all banking stocks were closed in red. So it is also near its support, is key support, which will be next key support will be 32,000. And if this continues, the fall continue, then it may break 32,000 level also. Currently Bank Nifty is 32,169. Okay, last week if you'll see, we were telling 32,000 is a very strong support and the chance of breaking this is little difficult. But for the coming week, I am not telling 32,000 is a strong support. It can break. So please be cautious. Whatever trade you are taking, do on intraday basis. Don't carry the position. Okay. In Nifty, if we'll see for that last entire week, if we'll discuss, so Nifty is almost 200 and Nifty is almost 260 points negative compared to its opening on Monday, whereas Bank Nifty, the negativeness is 1000 points. So you can imagine within this 1 week the market was at which level and it has now reached at which level. So you need to be trading very cautiously and please try to do on intraday basis, because this thing I also experienced. Whenever I carry the position, there are chances of me getting trapped. So that is why I am just advising you, please whatever trades you all are doing, do it on intraday basis. If you are trapped, then only carry the position. Otherwise try to if profit is minimum, then to also book profit and exit. Now if you'll see, if for Nifty 14,000 is the strong support. If it breaks, then the chances is Nifty may go down. But as per the technical charts and all, and as per Astro, we are not expecting for this May month Nifty will break this 14,000 ka level. If in Bank Nifty, if I'll say you range bound will be there, market will be range bound, and there will be a marked fall. If there is a fall, then there will be a buying thing at around 14,200 to 14,500 range. If market opens with a gap up of 14,800 to 14,900 to 15,000, then there is a chance of selling, because after 14,000, 15,000 is also a strong support. I hope you all have written the things what I have just discussed with you. I am trying to add pictures also in this video along with my speech, charts also, picture in the sense charts also, so that you all can understand in a better way what technicals I am studying. So I hope the things are clear, and you all have written the Astro time frame and technique levels range for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope this everything works out well, and whatever position you are holding, please you get a chance to exit in profit, and try to do trades on intraday basis only. If you wish to inquire about our premium group in which we give trades in live, we tell you about the trades in the live market. You also do your technical analysis, and then you can try for the try for those trades. If you are interested, you can contact us on the number what I am writing on the description box. Okay, if for financial kundli, if you are getting losses and all, so if you are interested to check to get your horoscope checked, whether stock market is suitable for you or not, so that also we do. And if the things are not coming in your favor, we'll tell you some remedies also, so that is like little better one. You can discuss your other problems also, what you want to know about your future. Okay, so that is all about the things. If you are interested for all those things, you can contact on the WhatsApp number, and same WhatsApp number what I'll be writing in description box. And next is, we have also started newsletter. In that, on daily basis morning you will get your newsletter. In that we will be describing certain like Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. Will be with technical analysis charts, and then few equity stocks will be sharing, and few other things like option chain things and all, that the additional things information you will be getting on your WhatsApp. So if you are not trying for this newsletter is worth it. The cost is like very minimum. You can just have a look on that. Just take it for a once. If you are interested, continue, otherwise no issues. I hope the video is like very clear what I want to convey to you all. Thank you so much, and have a great trading day on Monday. Jai Shri Krishna.